Okay, work in progress installing the Harley Road King mufflers on my Yamaha Royal Star Venture, just to show you what they look like side by side. There's the stock muffler, and there's the Road King muffler. Now I had to improvise a bracket. I had to make that. I just had to mount this. There's two holes here, two receivers, two whatever screws there for the Harley muffler stock, and I salvaged this piece of metal here. That's the original mounting point for that. But that seems to be pretty solid. And there's what it looks like at the joint. There's a little gap there compared to, there was a skirt over this narrow waist here, right there on the Yamaha. Let's see. Yeah, this has this fitting, this piece of metal over that joint that you access from underneath to the clamp. And that's what I have now. But anybody that sees that is looking too close. So I'll keep you updated. These are Road King mufflers pre-2017. In 2017 and onward, 18, 19, 20, and so on, one of the mufflers on the Harleys is much larger diameter. I think it's 2-inch instead of whatever that size there, 1.7/8 or something like that. It's much bigger, 2.5-inch maybe. So if you're going to do this retrofit, you have to get 2016 and older Road King, whatever, this type of muffler right here. The Harley uses that on a lot of different models. So I'll give you my final report. Had to do a lot of improvising all day. I thought this would be about a 2-hour job. So far it's been about 5 hours, because I had to make that bracket and go to the hardware store twice. It's hard mixing American bolts with metric. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I'll keep you updated.